Hello, teachers. Mr. Youngsaver here from Skew The Script. This video will briefly take you through the logistics of using Desmos activities on our site. Desmos is an amazing tool, especially for online learning, and I can't wait to show you the different capabilities and power it has alongside our curriculum. So we're going to navigate to lesson 3.2 among our AP Stats course sequence. So we'll go part 3, lesson 2 here. And on most of the lesson pages, you'll start to see popping up these Desmos activities with a link. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that link underneath the Desmos activity category. And it should pull up a page that looks something like this. Desmos essentially is a very fancy slide deck, and it allows you to synchronously in a live setting go through with your students online activities that relate to math and data science. And a lot of these slides are very interactive and very intuitive for students to use and to learn from. So to give you a sense of what that looks like, you can go over here to the student preview button, and you can see what advancing through the slide deck looks like in a live setting online with your students. So you can go through those different questions, all of which are aligned to the lesson. And there's different features you can use. For example, this lesson is about linear regression. So there's a slide in here that allows students to plot a line to fit a set of data. And there's a bunch of interaction features that you'll experience as you go through the Desmos activities. So if you'd like to actually use this with your students, especially in an online setting where you're doing live interaction, what you can do is go over here to this button that says create a class code. Now you'll have to make an account on Desmos in order to do this. It is completely free, and the buttons to do so will appear up here if you don't have a Desmos account already. But once you do have a free Desmos account, go to create class code. When you hit that button, you'll see a class code pop up here. And this is the code that will allow your students to join and advance in the slide deck with you as you're going through the lesson. So you can go over to view dashboard once you've created the class code, and it will pop up instructions for your students to join. This could be displayed on your screen if you're doing screen sharing. And you say, hey, students, go to this website, student.desmos.com, type in this code, or you can send them a direct link to join directly. Once they've done that, you will get a teacher dashboard here where you can see student responses to the slides that you've made, as well as interact with students and have a lot of control over what's going on in the lesson. All right. So that is how you use Desmos. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us at Skew the Script. Our contact information is in the contact page on the site. Thanks so much, and good luck.